Hey there, aspiring marketers. Ever dreamt of a career where you've got both the freedom to innovate and the potential to earn big? Well, digital marketing might just be your golden ticket. The digital marketing industry is on fire. Over the next decade, it's projected to grow exponentially. We're talking about a market that's gearing up to hit trillions of dollars. And guess what? High-end digital marketers are already raking in six-figure salaries. Imagine being one of them. Sounds great, right? But here's the kicker. Becoming a digital marketing broker who connects businesses to their customers is where the real magic happens. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for those connections. You could be the bridge that links customers to their needs and businesses to their success. It's an invaluable position to be in, and it's yours for the taking. Now you might be wondering, how do I get started? That's where our free digital marketing course comes in. It's a complete business in a box. From the basics to the advanced strategies, we've got you covered. By the time you finish the training, you'll have your online business up and running. And here's the best part. You can choose up to 4 digital products, starting at just $100 to plug into the training. This gives you real-time, real-world digital marketing experience. You'll be earning while you learn. So, are you ready to take the leap? Drop an "I'm ready" in the comments or send me a message and I'll send you more info. Your future in digital marketing starts now. Let's make it happen. Stay inspired, and I'll see you on the other side.